Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a group chat on Telegram, and you can do it either on PC or on mobile. So let's get started. First of all, you need to click options, and here you need to click new group. Here you need to write a group name. For example, let's call it just a group, and here you can add a picture if you want some kind of avatar for your group, but I will just click next. And here we need to check some members that we want to add. For example, you want to add some friends, you just click on them and you add them. After that, you can just click create, and the group is basically created. Here you need to manage some stuff. Here you can make chat history visible for new members. Also, you can change group type to public group. Also, you can allow some reactions. For example, if you want the reactions to be banned in a group, so you can do it. Also, you can manage permissions, basically what members can do in this group. Also, you can create a new invite link, for example, if you want the link to expire after they are used. Also, you can add some administrators. If you would like some other person to be able to manage the group, you can add administrators, yeah. And also you can ban members through this menu. So that's basically it, guys. Now you know how to create a group in Telegram. Thank you for watching. See you next time.